Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, and this is
Baker.
So today we're going to be cooking out of the Snoop Dogg recipe. Now it's one of the classic sandwiches of all times that you might have had when you were a kid, which I loved having when I fried up and put some mustard on it and put it in between two breads and some chips and stuff. Well, today we're going to do something similar to that, and you probably have guessed what we're going to be making. So Baker, let them know what we're going to be making.
Today we're making, it's called the OG fried bologna sandwich.
Yeah. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sandwiches of bologna. That's a lot of bologna. So some of the ingredients that we're going to be using is...
We got the Italian bread.
Well, Italian bread. Snoop Dogg uses white bread.
We got thick bologna.
Got thick bologna.
We got some American cheese.
Cheese. Some butter.
Unsalted butter.
Gonna need butter.
Some instead of barbecue chips, this is a salt and vinegar. This is salt and vinegar potato chips.
Yeah, he says it's good, but we'll see.
And we got it's called the yellow mustard. It's called Heinz yellow mustard.
It says the art of the burger, so it goes right on burgers and it tastes good. I don't know, haven't tried it. So right here we have the cutting board for the bologna. We're gonna slice the bologna up. Then we're gonna put it on this flat iron thing, so that we can toast the toast and do the bologna. So we're gonna do it all on one thing, basically. So as usual, I'll be behind the camera as Baker prepares this meal. All right, so Baker has cut up the bologna in half, and he's done a slit in between. This is how I used to cook my bologna, where I would slit it in half and then put it in the frying pan. All right, so let's start up our griddle. All right, so I'm gonna we're gonna spray the butter on there.
Say is 50.
We're gonna lightly toast the toast first. So, you can use the butter or the butter spray, whichever one you feel like using. But we're gonna use the butter spray. All right, so we got 6 slices of bread. We're gonna place on the griddle.
Lightly toast.
Right. And then give it about 2 minutes to toast on one side, and then flip it over and toast it on the other side.
I'll see how they taste the cheese. See what it tastes.
All right.
So we got the bread, we have lightly toast on both sides, and then flip it. You don't want to toast it too much, but
So it's lightly toasted here. We'll wait on the other side to cook. Be right back. Butter on it. Okay, so put the butter, the unsalted butter, on top of the griddle. Be careful. Don't throw it on there. You alright? You okay?
I'm okay.
You good?
Okay.
You alright? Alright, so now we're going to add the cheese. Each one of the bologna slices. So we're going to put all the bologna and stuff on one side.
Oh, look at that cheese right here.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at cheese.
Snoop Dogg's gonna be crazy.
Make sure it gets on the actual bread. So over here on these, put the mustard. Alright, so now we are adding chips. Add as many chips as you can. Alright guys, we're going to bring our thing over here to our regular table and do our taste test. Guys, we're back. So look at this thing. It is huge. I had to take some toothpicks and I had to put them inside of here to act as skews so that the sandwich would not fall apart. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's a little sloppy, but you know what? You gotta give it to me stuff. Our first try. So right now the bologna and stuff is just falling off of this sandwich, so we are going to dig in now. Excuse me.
Snoop Dogg's for you. That's for you.
That one. Yeah. I like that mustard. The salt and vinegar chips are really good. Really, really good. It's like
Whoa, it tastes
three
good.
slices of bologna on this thing. Yeah, you definitely, if you get the late night munchies, eat this. This is so good.
if you eat these for the challenges, you'll be millionaire with this.
So, while we finish our food, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share our videos. We have our videos the first week of every month and the last week of every month. So make sure you hit that bell so you can get the notifications of when our videos are up twice a month. And a couple shorts in there in between for your enjoyment. I'm LJ, this is
Baker.
and thank you for joining us for another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and share our videos. Thank you. See you later.